Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the brand new integration between Pepperstone and TradingView. If you've ever wanted to connect your Pepperstone account directly to TradingView for faster, smoother trading without switching back and forth between different apps, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to connect your accounts seamlessly, what the fees look like, and how to make the most out of this integration. Alright, let's dive in. If you already have a Pepperstone account, and don't worry if you're setting one up, it's a straightforward process, you'll want to start by logging into your account as usual. Make sure you're fully logged in and that your credentials are up to date. This ensures that when you switch over to TradingView, everything syncs correctly right from the start. If you can, double-check to see if there are any pending verifications or security checks on your Pepperstone account before moving forward. Trust me, it saves headaches later. Once you're logged into Pepperstone, hop over to TradingView. You might already have TradingView open in another tab, or you can simply open a new window. Head over to the main TradingView dashboard where you do your chart analysis. Now here where the magic starts to happen. At the bottom of the TradingView interface, you'll see something called the Trading Panel. If you've never used this panel before, think of it as mission control for connecting different brokers like Pepperstone directly within TradingView. Click on Trading Panel and you'll see a whole list of available brokers. In the search bar or the broker list, type in Pepperstone. Don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Sometimes it takes a few seconds if your internet is slow or if TradingView is updating. Once you see the Pepperstone logo pop up, click on it. This is the step that officially tells TradingView, hey, I want to connect my Pepperstone account to this platform. After clicking Pepperstone, there will be a prompt to connect. Hit that button. What's happening under the hood is that TradingView is securely reaching out to Pepperstone and linking your accounts together. You might have to confirm your login one more time or approve the integration. This is totally normal and keeps your account safe. If you see a confirmation screen or need to enter your Pepperstone credentials again, go ahead and do it. This is just a security measure and ensures no one but you can link these accounts. Once you've connected, you'll have direct access to trading on Pepperstone right from your TradingView charts. This means you can analyze, strategize, and execute trades all in one place. No more flicking back and forth between platforms or worrying about missing entries because of platform delays. It's a huge time saver and can really help you stay focused, especially if you're watching the markets move fast. A quick note about fees. The integration itself doesn't add any extra cost, but keep in mind, you'll still be subject to the Pepperstone trading fees, spreads, and any commissions as per your account type. So just review your Pepperstone fee structure if you haven't already to avoid surprises. And that's it. You're connected, you're ready, and you can start trading with more confidence and flexibility. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you ran into any issues during the process. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.